Jai Hind, I am Lady Cadet Monica representing Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College, Bongir. Today I am here to explain micro lecture on the subject mathematics. My topic is impact of abacus learning on cognitive abilities of the children. So, in these days of increasing innovations in the field of technological development, there is a considerable amount of dependence on math, which is basis for all such developments. The fundamental calculations like addition, subtraction, counting, these all are basically mathematical in nature, which every one of us uses them in our day-to-day lives. Mathematical exploration and practice will improve, give confidence in one's mental ability too. Now let us see the objectives of learning abacus. To train and instill in the children the habit of careful observation, and not only that, the habit of using multiple skills simultaneously with maximum efficiency and minimum economy. To do calculations, we use the fingers of the both hands so that the left and the right part of the brain stimulation takes place. And the right brain stimulation will improve the skills such as visualization, imagination, concentration, and the other. And both the left and the right brain coordinatedly working together the holistic brain development. Now let us see the history and development of abacus. Before the abacus instrument is introduced, the earliest instruments used for counting is stones, slender tree branches, tying knots and carving. Now let us see the learning benefits of abacus. The main primary benefit of learning abacus is greater ability in calculating while compared to those without the knowledge of abacus and mental arithmetic. Now let us coming to the secondary benefits. It helps the child to visualize the things and improves mental calculations. And not only that, it helps the child to calculate even faster than the modern electric gadget. And the main result of learning abacus is it improves the concentration power and through the concept of visualization. Now let us see the impact of abacus learning on memory power. Calculations are classified into two types. One is abacus method and the other is the mathematical method. In abacus method, the answers are stored as the images in the long-term memory in the right part of the brain. Whereas coming to the mathematical method, the answers are stored in the short-term memory in the left part of the brain and it will eradicate soonly. So, in a research found that 80% students of University of Tokyo and Kyoto are the toppers who have learned the abacus. Now, let us compare a modern electric gadget with an abacus learner child. In a modern electric gadget, if we give a problem, the input is given by the child. Then process is taken internally and output is displayed by the modern electric gadget. Whereas coming to the abacus learner child, input is taken by the child and process is done by the child and output is displayed by the child. Here we see the difference how child is impacting on learning abacus. Now let us see the skills improves of learning abacus. The main skills improved by learning abacus is concentration, visualization, imagination, self-confidence, listening and the fear of mathematics. So, summing up with that, abacus learning is not only improves our memory power and interest in mathematics, but it also develops the holistic brain development through the concept of visualization. Thank you. Jai Hind.